As a professional investor, you know about the problem. Your assets are in numerous places and overseen by different people. It takes a lot of time and effort to keep an overview. That's why you should just rely on Complemente. We'll consolidate all assets for you, no matter from which bank. We'll even integrate all non-bankable assets such as real estate or collections. We'll provide special reports on private equity, on ESG or peer group comparisons. With our investment reports, we create transparency and pave the way for your informed decision-making. You'll find all information in one place, whether as a PDF, in the online tool, or in our portfolio management software. Thanks to secure control processes and highly specialized employees, you can rely on the top quality of the data we provide. And you have the assurance that even during market turbulence, analyses and decisions are available at any time. Our independence guarantees that your interests lie at the heart of our service. Identify risks ahead of time and make informed investment decisions with Complemente.